Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Notion aesthetic for school. First, select a consistent color palette to give your workspace a unified and calming feel. Next, personalize your pages by adding custom icons and engaging cover images that reflect your subjects. Finally, organize your content effectively using toggles and columns. This not only looks clean, but also helps manage information without overwhelming your view. To further personalize your Notion setup, consider embedding useful widgets such as a clock or weather forecast directly onto your dashboard for quick access. Make important notes stand out by using dividers and colorful callout blocks, drawing attention to key information. For better organization, create linked databases that connect your notes, assignments, and resources, ensuring seamless navigation across all your school subjects. Boost your productivity by exploring the vast array of community templates available. They offer quick and effective layouts for various academic needs. Integrate progress bars into your task lists to visually track your assignments and long-term goals, providing a clear sense of accomplishment. Lastly, design a minimalist layout for your study pages to reduce visual clutter and minimize distractions, helping you focus better. For an even more advanced aesthetic, integrate third-party tools and plugins to enhance Notion's functionality and visual style, adding unique elements. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fonts and text sizes to create a clear visual hierarchy, making your most important information pop. Remember, a well-organized and visually pleasing workspace can significantly improve your study experience. Also, check the description for links to some great deals and that awesome car air freshener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.